My name's Ross Frisby. I'm Head of Business at University Centre Shrewsbury. We're doing a series of lectures around maximising creativity to support your business. They're just 1 to 2 minute lectures. We've already looked at goal setting, we've looked at developing confidence, we've looked at monitoring our progress towards goals. This time, we're just checking that we're going to, as we get close to our goal, can we set a new goal to run through the initial goal that's been set? Failure to do this will result in energy being shut off. As soon as the goal has been achieved, energy just closes down. And to get started again, that moment of inertia can be very difficult to shift. So it's really important as you're progressing towards achieving the goal, the leader or the manager must try and keep their eye on that and set a new goal through the first one, okay, to maintain the energy to keep going and moving your business forward. The leader can do it. If the employee is aware of it, they can potentially be involved in that again. So you're almost going back round to the start of the cycle again, the lecture that we looked at in lecture number 1. I hope that helps. If you want to get in touch, this is our contact details. Okay, we'll see you soon for lecture 5.